Hello everyone, welcome to the another video of Cambridge IT College. Today on this video we are going to see how can we install C++ and set up it for programming. C++ is used for C and the C++ programming. C++ has easy user interface and it is easy IDE for the beginner. So without wasting time, let's begin how to set up the C++. First of all, open any browser you like. I will open the Microsoft page. In the search bar, just type for C++. Visit the website of sourceforce.net. Just click on here. It will redirect you to the official page of the sourceforce.net. And here you see the C++ file. Just click on download. It will take some of the time. Depending upon the internet speed, it will take the downloading time. Okay, let's close it and open the download folder. Here you see that here is our C++ setup file. Just double click on here and allow the administration permission if it asks for. It is unpacking the necessary data. Okay, here I will select for the language English and I agree its term and condition. Select the default setup and hit the next button. Here it is asking for the location. I will change the location. After specifying where you want to install the C++, just hit the install button. It will take some of the time. Just wait for it to complete. Okay, our installation process has been completed. I don't want to run the C++ now. Just unmark this and click on finish. Let me close this. Let me open the C++ and check it which is working or not properly. For that I will open my C++. And here I will create a new file. For that I will go to file menu and new and source. Let me first write hello world program in C. Let me save this file. Let me compile the file first and run it. File has been compiled successfully. You can see here. Let me run it. Here you can see that program has been executed successfully. In this way you can install the C++ and set up for the programming. This must be used for the C and C++ programming. If you get any kind of error during the installation of the software, then mention it in the comment section. We will try to solve your problem.
If you want any other video dedicated on the certain topic, then mention your topic into the comment section. We will try to make the video on that topic. Thank you for watching it.